Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set your incoming messages notification to alert sound or to silent on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, we're going to tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Once you are back to your home screen, tap on the text messaging app, and then we're going to tap on the option key at the top, and then from the pop-up, we're going to tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on notifications. Then here, tap on incoming messages. And at the top, you could choose either alert or silent. Now, if you choose alert, then when you receive a notifications, your phone will make a sound to alert you of the incoming notification. You can also change the sound on here. This is the default sound. You can also choose one of the sounds from the Galaxy category. If we go down, there is also a calm category. You got fun, retro, and others. And so you can choose the sound right there. And then there are other settings such as vibrate, show icon app icon badges, and whether you want to show it on the screen or not. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. If you choose silent, then you still be able to receive notifications. It's just that your phone will not make a sound to alert you, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.